Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a purchase requisition by using Fury tile. So as you know, how we can access that Fury tiles by just simply using T code /n/UI2/FLP. So this is a T code and we just need to give the user ID and password. Let me show you here also. So we just need to use a T code /n/UI2/FLP, right? And we just need to hit enter. But first you just need to add some host file in your system if it's needed, and if it's not needed, then directly you can just use this T code /n/UI2/FLP. Then just hit enter here, just allow this, and then let me show you. Then this screen will open /n/UI2/FLP, hit enter, just hit allow. Then like login screen will open. There you just need to give your user ID and password. That same user ID and password will work whatever it's there in your GUI. So with whatever user ID and password you are just going to log in your SAP system, the same will be there for Fury also, right? So these tiles will be there and these tiles will be visible as per the roles. If it's a MM, then MM related roles need to be assigned from backend in SU01. And if it's a FI, so FI related roles needs to be assigned. So here what we are going to do, we are going to create a purchase requisition with help of that Fury. So as we used to create a purchase requisition in GUI by just using T code slash by just using T code ME51N. Let me show you that also. Let me in this video specifically I will show you both the cases how to create a purchase requisition using that GUI. So let me do that first. Then we are going to do by just using that Fury. So T code to create a purchase requisition is ME51N. Then just hit enter. Then this display to create a purchase requisition will open. Here you just need to give your details like your header, item overview and all. So let me give my material number here, my quantity, plant, storage location, and then just hit enter. So purchase group also. Now it's error free. We just need to change that delivery date. It's just a warning that we can also ignore. And then save it. So no message issued during check, then just save it. So this purchase requisition is created, right? This purchase requisition is created. Let me save that in Notepad. So this is our purchase requisition. This is our purchase requisition number. So let me do, we have already done that with the help of GUI. Let me do the same by just doing a Fury, with the help of Fury. So let me open Fury here, and here you can see create purchase requisition. So this tile is there, this application is there that we can use to create a purchase requisition. If you're not able to see from here itself you can see. If the role is assigned in your case, then you can see in App Finder and then you can pin that in on the home screen itself, right? But for that roles must be assigned. Okay. So we just need to create purchase requisition here on this tile or on this application. So this will looks like that. This will open like that. And what we need to do here, we just need to give all these details. So in header, we can give the header details like purchase this material urgently. We can mention anything here as a text. It's not a mandatory also, but I just mentioned it here. Then we are just going to this item detail. Here I'm just giving my material number, quantity, unit of measurement, delivery date, plant, storage location, purchase group, requisitioner. Just hit enter. Okay, you can check from here, like in GUI there is an icon for that, but here you can click on that simply. Just click on check. No message issued during check, and you can save from here itself. So this purchase requisition is created from here. Let me copy this also. So this purchase requisition is created with the help of that Fury, right? Here purchase requisition is created, right? So you can see like this one we have created with GUI by just using T code ME51N, and this one we just created using Fury tiles, Fury app or Fury tile, right? And you can see we can see that both purchase requisition in GUI also. So let me show you how we can see the list of purchase requisition using T code ME5A. Let me give material mat 4542 and let me give the date. Or let me give the purchase requisition number here. Just execute. See, both I have seen. This one I have created by using GUI, and this one I have created using Fury tile, right? So both we can see in the database of that GUI itself. With the help of GUI, we can see that both purchase requisition. So it doesn't matter like whether we are creating with the help of GUI or we are creating with the help of Fury tile. Both are same. Only like UI is different. Okay. Here in GUI we just need to use a T code, but in Fury we doesn't need any T code. Simply we can create, right? So this is how we can create a purchase requisition by GUI also and by just using that Fury tiles. So hopefully this is helpful for you. If you feel this video is just added some value, please make sure to like this video. Please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and please make sure to share this video in your SAP circle. Thank you. Thanks a lot. May God bless you all.